Now, this next story may be of interest to you as officers and men of the Nigeria Security and Civil Defense Corps Cross River State Command have apprehended 3 suspects caught vandalizing a once vibrant Cross River State Ultramodern poultry farm located at the outskirts of Calabar. Paul Abel, who was part of the team that visited the poultry farm, tells us more.
This is the Cross River Ultramodern poultry farm, which used to produce thousands of birds per day to supply the Cross River chicken processing factory. But now, it's a shadow of itself due to vandalism.
With intelligence gathering, the Cross River State Command of the NSCDC sprung into action and arrested some vandals and others in the vandalism chain of this once thriving agricultural facility, which is now a mirage of itself.
Upon interrogation, the suspect volunteered useful information, and these exhibits that were recovered include industrial fans, 28 pieces, meter casing.
Some suspected vandals, on sighting NSCDC officials approaching the facility, took to their heels into the bushes as the state commandant gives this word of advice to host communities of government critical infrastructure.
My advice to first the community is that any government infrastructure that is built in their community, they should own it.
The vandalized recovered items from the farm have been handed over to the office of the State Security Advisor as the NSCDC reiterates its resolve to fulfill its constitutional mandate of protecting and safeguarding government critical infrastructure.